Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and online, so let's move. Start by launching the Microsoft Store on your Xbox One and search for Xbox Game Pass. Make sure your Microsoft account has a valid payment method or a redeem code ready. You'll need it to subscribe or claim trials. Once you find the Xbox Game Pass page, examine the plan options, Game Pass Console, Game Pass Ultimate, or PC, and choose the one that fits your needs. Select Subscribe to begin the checkout flow now. Now you'll pick the plan and complete purchase. Choose Console or Ultimate depending on whether you want Cloud and EA Play. Ultimate covers console and cloud access. Follow the on-screen checkout, confirm payment, billing address, and accept recurring billing if you want continuous access. If a trial appears, read its length and cancellation terms. Trials convert to paid subscriptions after they end. Once you confirm payment, Xbox processes it and adds Game Pass to your account. You've subscribed, so next install games and start playing. Open the Xbox Game Pass app or go to My Games and find tiles labeled Included with Game Pass. Choose a game, hit Install, and monitor storage. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so games stay current. If a game won't launch, verify your subscription under Settings Account Subscriptions, sign out and back in, restart the console, and confirm network connectivity. If problems persist, redeem the code or contact Xbox support for account help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.